In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compute the difference between 2 years' sales in Tableau using table calculations and aggregate functions. Whether you're a seasoned Tableau user or just starting, this guide will provide you with a clear path to not only see the raw numbers, but also understand the changes over time. First things first, open up your Tableau app. Once you have it up and running, navigate to your worksheet where you'll be performing the analysis. It's important to start with the right data setup, so make sure your workbook is organized and ready for input. Next, you'll want to drag the order date to the row section in your workbook. This will align the data in a chronological format, essential for our calculations. After setting up your rows, look for the sales field in your data pane. Drag the sales field to the text mark to display the sales figures in your visualization. Once sales are displayed, we'll refine our data by focusing on specific years. Drag the order date field to the filters, and in the filter options, select the year level. Here, we want to choose the years 2020 and 2021. After selecting these, click OK. This will help us isolate the sales data specifically for these years. Now, to proceed with the table calculations, hold down the Keytarrow key and drag the sales field to the detail shelf to create a copy. This step ensures we're working with the same data set when performing calculations. Next, click on the drop-down on your newly copied sales field and choose Quick Table Calculation, then pick Difference. This will calculate the difference in sales between these years. You should now drag this difference calculation to the view, positioning it on top of the existing numbers for a comprehensive comparison. On the Measure Values field, adjust the position of the pills as needed to maintain clarity and visibility in your visualization. Make sure to remove sales from detail to avoid any redundancy. We continue refining the data by clicking the drop-down arrow on the sales calculated pill and selecting Edit Table Calculation. Here, specify the year of order date under specific dimensions. This step ensures that your calculation is considering the correct dimension of the data. For further clarity, let's create calculated fields for each year. Click the drop-down again and select Create Calculated Field. Name the first one Sales 2020, enter your query, and click OK. Drag this new field to Measure Values. Repeat this step to create another field named Sales 2021. Enter the corresponding query, click OK, and drag it to Measure Values as well. Now we create a final calculated field, naming it Difference. After entering the respective query, press OK and place it into Measure Values. Drag Year, Order Date, from the rows to the detail shelf, and remove Sales from Measure Values to keep everything organized. Finally, make sure your difference calculation is set correctly by editing the table calculation again. Under Specific Dimensions, ensure that Year of Order Date is selected. This setup should now provide a complete view of the sales differences between these 2 years, helping you understand both the sales trends and their implications. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.